So for a while now, I've never really been satisfied with my setup. Like legit, it's just a table and a laptop on it. I mentioned this in my 2017 year in review. If you haven't checked that out, on screen now. Now it's just a laptop on a table. That is until now. Thankfully, I've received a second chance by moving homes, and I get to start fresh and redo my whole setup. And this time, I have built my ultimate YouTube setup. So first I started by moving the desk into the preferred location, and then started cleaning the desk, making sure it's free of all dust and dirt. Then I gathered all the accessories I needed. The list of accessories included 2 different types of cable ties, one of which was a pack of 20 which I got for 43 cents by bidding on eBay, and to my surprise actually showed up and are actually not bad. The others are a packet of 6 which I ordered 2 of them, making a total of 12 which I spent about $3 on. Next up is a USB-C dock which I got online from eBay again for my phone, along with some speakers which I got a couple months back, but let's unbox them. And of course my laptop and other stuff too. So let's get started. So first thing I did was unwind the speakers and set them up to their preferred location without adding the cable ties or anything in. Then I placed my laptop on where I would preferably use it and measured out all the appropriate cable lengths. Then I started hooking up the cable ties and routing the cables through them. So what I did was I wrapped this, I added the middle one right here, and one at the end to connect to this speaker. Which was a very long and daunting task that my camera battery actually decided to, you know what, screw it, I'll die. I guess these things happen, so I was like, okay, you know what, let's shoot with my phone when my camera battery is getting charged. And my phone died too. Great. Cool.
One eternity later.
Okay, let's try this again. I finished running all the cables, and pretty much what I wanted was my laptop charger to be separate, so whenever I want to go somewhere portable, because it's a laptop obviously, I can always just unplug the cable and take it with me while keeping it neat and tidy in the area. I also wanted to add a power bar, so with one click it turns on and the whole setup comes to life. My phone starts charging, my watch starts charging, the speakers turn on, and my laptop is charged. Can you help me? Hey! Then I moved the table back to its original location and started tying up the power cables. And finally, it is complete. Now the whole idea behind this setup is that I want it to be modular, so later on when I want to buy a monitor, RGB lights, I can easily add it and route the cables through without having to remove everything and start over. I also want my camera and my microphone to be on the side, so whenever I come over to edit, if I need a shot or if I'm ready to record something, I plug the mic directly into my phone and move the mic stand to the location, turn on the camera, take off the lens cap, and just hit record. And boom, I'm recording, and then afterwards I hit stop record, take the SD card, quickly turn around, plug it into my laptop, start transferring files, and then start editing. So I want it to be a one and done situation with convenience in mind. And finally, the setup is complete. Unfortunately, no RGB lights, but later on I can also add those and make it all pretty and stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way the setup turned out. The main idea is I come home, I easily just dock my phone, I put my watch to charge, and go along my day. Yo guys, TSP here, and that is why I built this setup the way it is now. So aside from that, that is the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do, hit that like button down below, subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then guys, take it easy, peace.